Yo, Abby, what's up? Work, bruh. Focus on work. What are you doing? Oh, YouTube, you're always so messed up. I gotta fix you all the time. Always gotta fix YouTube. Bro, I am here till midnight. That's crazy. Do you actually have to do stuff like, do people actually show up or anything like that? You know, after even close to midnight? I'm gonna be fighting for to keep awake. Not really now. Okay, well at least you can just kind of hang out. That's the time to do homework. You're gonna be up anyways, right? Freaking college kids. You rapscallions. All right. Audio probably sounded awful for a sec there, but we are good now. So today, guys, we are going to be working on our game for the Pirate Jam 16, I think. I don't remember what number it is, but working on our game. We are a little, I would say, behind schedule. We're a little behind schedule from what thought we would be at this point. I thought I'd have a game loop at least going now, but I ran into some issues with some of the stuff we were trying to put in. So that didn't work out the way I wanted. Um, yeah, we'll play around, try to figure that out, try to get that going. So, but that's where we're at. We are going to get after it and try to get some progress today. Yeah, did have a scare. No RA came for the duty phone. No, so scary. Oh no, where's the RA? Anyhow, let me put my phone over here, charge it, and now we're gonna vibe. Let's move over. I'm trying to. I actually need to make a button for this one. I don't have a button yet. We'll play around with this setup here. I mean, it's not perfect because the chat gets kind of cut off above me, but I think it really displays this well, the actual um software, and I can put stuff on the banners on the top and bottom eventually. But so just work with me here. I know it's not cool. This isn't the best setup right now, but we will get there. We will get there. One eventually came up after I talked to a few people. That was the scary part. Oh no. That is kind of scary though. Scary people. So where was I? I think I was trying to see if this worked. So let me just. So right now, what I'm working on, the issue I'm having is that I want to. Let me turn off collision shapes for a little bit because I don't know. They're annoying. But I want to make it so that when we generate our tile map here procedurally, I want the get all the data for the floor tiles here, and I want to randomly spawn enemies on the floor tiles. Right now I have it just as a box so I can test it, but I am trying to get it to get the cell data right now, like the cell coordinates, cell data basically, and it's not working. So I'm gonna try to figure that out. I think it's an issue with um guess I never do this function. I think it is an issue with like the order of what things happen. I think it's trying to get the data for this tile set or tile map before the tiles are made, because it takes like half a second for the tiles to generate. So I think that's the issue. So we will see. I'm just trying to find a way where I can delay it, because right now you can see down here, it's hard to see, but it's popping up as an empty array, and I want it to be a full array of different stuff. And yeah, and then when you look at the other stuff, it comes back null. So it's not getting the coordinates, which is weird. I need to figure that out. Okay. Let me try a few different things. So I tried using a signal on when this was finished, and it still isn't getting it. So I must need a longer delay. Let us maybe move this back into here. We'll keep this signal connected for now, just because I might need it later. But we'll get rid of it if we don't need it. And I just need to call on generated later, which I could do. I could just do it from the test. I guess we were doing this. Do that. Or when would be a good time to do this? Oh, I guess we could call it. Could call it here. Let's see what it does. I think on generated it will. No, it's not going to print anything until I do. Let's just do a check here of what all these are. We'll want just the normal. I'll close that bracket. Okay, we'll print that. Let's see what we get. I'm hoping for a full array. Yeah, we did not get a full array. Because look where it's doing Walker generated, then it's doing the coordinates, and then it's saying that the generation took 2.47 seconds. So I think it's doing it right before it actually sets those in there. So I need to delay it more. So I need to do it even after. So I needed to have something set up. Call this even later. I don't want to do like just a timer. I feel like a timer's silly. But maybe that's what we need. It's a little timer to give it a full second before it'll go and then get the data for me. I guess we could just try that to test to make sure that that's the actual reason why it's not working. So yeah, let's put a timer, I guess. Holy crap, you still DJ it? Yeah. Yes, we are. Our deadline's Friday. But it's good to see you again, Siha. Let's do. We'll call it like get tile data or something like that. That's a little too on the nose. I think there's other functions already called that, but let's try that out. We'll make a timer. We'll give it a full second before it does anything. We'll wait timer, timeout, and then we will dungeon generator on generated. And that should collect all the tile data. How you doing, bud? I'm doing great, man. Doing great. Vibing. A little sick. But now we're doing good. I promise I won't hack you today. That's terrifying. I know you're fully capable of that. That's terrifying. Oh, it's okay. Yes, please don't hack me. It worked. Okay, so it was an issue of it's not having a tile set yet. So nice. Look, we got this is all the coordinates for our tile map. And then it yells at me because I printed too much text. So that's fun. Nice. So let's actually get rid of this line because I want to see it go through the other data. Nice, thank you. Doesn't it feel good when you your brain works and you actually get something done and it makes sense? Nice. It's all 140. 140. I mean, that's the one I want to spawn on. It's not even looking at it's not even gathering the data for the others. So maybe I mean, that's fine. I don't care about any others besides this one. I guess I'll ignore it. I'll ignore it. It's fine. Cool. If it ever takes longer than a second to generate this thing, I am doing too much. So that's good. I think I'll leave it print for now just so I can kind of see it. We also don't need... We'll leave it just... I don't know when we'll need that. You got it. Thank you, bro. Let's fucking go. Nothing feels better than when your code works. You debug it yourself. I did a lot of Googling, to be fair, beforehand, but... Okay, now we can do the gosh darn thing. Let's try it, actually. I think it should technically... It technically should just work. So... Okay, it died. It broke. Invalid operand to in operand equals. Okay. It doesn't like that. Doesn't like that. Back on fails. I always used a dumbass loop that would hit the last line of code, record it, and throw it in my face at breaks. Gotta love it. It didn't want it to be Victor 2i. I have so much to learn. I was really contemplating, so for programming itself, I know Harvard has their intro to CS class online for free or whatever. I've been very tempted to just slowly walk through that while I do kind of some of the stuff. But it worked. Okay, but the pizza is always on top. Is it always gonna be on top of us? No. But it's only spawning in the same spot. And it's adding a lot of cheese. Okay, we have some major issues here. But it works. Okay, we have some major issues here. Can't add cheese pizza to enemy spawner. Already has a parent enemy spawner. Can't add cheese pizza to enemy spawner. Already has as parent enemy spawner. So does it want me to... We'll get the parent then. We'll get the parent and add it to just the overall tree. Let's see if that, what it likes about that. Boom. Oh, wrong button. Okay. We have 414 lines of debug. What is it not like? Can't add challenges to test. Already has a parent test. What is... Enemy spawner GD. Oh my god. Wait, no. That's fine. Can't add child cheese pizza to test. Already has a parent test. Interesting. It's just stepping back. You can find the error one step or two back 9 times out of 10. I always liked when I would program my computer to bitch at me when I screw up. See, and I don't put enough tests, I think, into my stuff. I think if I did more tests, it'd be better. Gonks, Tommy, what's up, man? How you doing? I don't want to ask. Are you doing a pizza-style berserker game? I mean, it's kind of like that. I think it's like a wave-based haunted pizzas coming at you. Gotta take them out somehow. So 2,000 lines of debug errors. So there's something wrong. Is it because I'm doing it with the button? Is it like not liking that? Let's do what we always do. Let's make a timer. I'll hard code a timer for now. And we'll do... No, I don't think I can hard code. We'll do it once. We'll just do it once to see what happens. It might do it too early because... Yeah, it's doing it too early because we have to wait for the coordinates to get there. So it can never be on ready. We could always just do a stupid... We'll just add a quick timer of 2 seconds. Oops. Oh, shit. Quick timer of 2 seconds. And we will just await our timeout. Let's just do this way. And then, yes, it spawns. It still doesn't like it. What is going on? 2,000 lines of dimension error or a loop error. So it's definitely with this loop then. You know what it's probably doing? It's probably going through every cell and trying to add a pizza to every cell, isn't it? Yeah, I think that's what it's doing. It's trying to add a pizza to every cell. Which we don't want to do. That is way too many pizzas. So I don't know if I need this loop, to be honest. I don't think I need this loop. Because I get the data I need anyways. So let's try without the loop. And then we'll just say, I think this is fine as is. I also need to set my new cheese global position. Where's my autocomplete? Right, let's try this. Bingo, glad to help. You're the best. That's what I love about streaming coding, by the way, is it can make it like quick fixes, super easy. Oh shoot. Oh, whoops! I pushed the button. Sorry, I pushed the button I wasn't supposed to. I don't have special attacks set up yet for the character I was on. All right. But the pizza did not spawn. But that's fine. That was definitely the for loop that was messing up everything. It looks like we got to the point where it instantiated it at least, but we didn't add it to the thing because I need to do that. I don't need to print this anymore, I don't think. I know it works. It worked, right? There's all the coordinates. It yells at me. Yeah, it worked. How will I go about... You know, I don't know if I need to go crazy because it's only gathering... No, I need to tell it where to go. Yeah, I was thinking you get a tracer after killing the loop. You got no pizza. Yeah, yep. So I need to check to make sure that the coordinates are correct. So maybe what I'm doing here, I'm doing this kind of backwards. This isn't spawning an enemy. This should be like check enemy position. That's what we're actually doing. And if this isn't good, we will check it again. And basically, we want to... Can I do it that way? Shoot, I saw a nice Reddit post or a post in the forums about how this guy did it. I really liked it. I'm gonna go back and see if I can find that quick. How did that one guy do it? Spawn and unspawn, same as the characters. They work fine. Spawn and unspawn, same as the characters. They work fine. Wait. Interesting. Okay. Give me this. Okay. Let me look at this quick. Triple T. This might be what I need. I use old lingo. The pizza is the same as the tunes. Okay. I know what you're saying. I'm so lost. I'm not good at this stuff. I'm not good. I'm still learning. Let me try. I think I'm doing it wrong. Well, that's good. Let's just do this as, what does he call it? He calls this cell chords. So let's make this cell chords and make this cell IDs, unfortunately, because that's what he calls it. But we'll get there. Oh, but I can't do this here because it won't work. Back to where I was. Okay, delete this. I should have all the pieces I need, to be honest. I just need to... Where am I at? Test. I just need to find a way to check if the position... I just need to... I probably need another variable extracted here. Call it cell position. It's our tile map where get world 2D. Let's print that. What? Let's print it. Let's see what it does. We'll learn something new today. What happened to all this stuff? Oh, we'll just... Don't need it. We don't need that. We just want to see what the data says. So it gave me like a seed. That's not helpful. It's cell data. Where's my global? Let's just... I want to pull this in. I want to pull this in. You have it, dude. You're in your own mind. Let the computer do the job. Get your mind out of it. You're right. You're right. Just work, computer. Why are you making me go through all this? To cell position. But this isn't gonna print anything because this is empty right now. But what we'll do is we'll take all this. 01000001 is what? Is this a quiz? Is it... Oh god. I don't want to embarrass myself. Is it 28? No, probably not. 0, 1, so 2. I don't know. That's my guess. That's a terrible guess, I'm sure. but let's do. How about that? That's the letter A on a keyboard. Oh my god, that's pretty crazy. Actually, that's cool as fuck. I think okay, so I think the easiest way to do this.
Hey there, big boy.
Wanna watch me code just followed.
Wanna watch me code? Thank you so much for following. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, I think what I need to do is something I don't want to do, but we'll. All right, we're gonna reference the tile map. I don't want to push this all the way through Singleton, but I think I have to because I think it'll make my life easier. But I'll clean up this shit in here. This is probably just, you know what? I don't care. This is how I'm going to do it because I think it'll work. It'll be fine. So on generated, we'll just say our global tile map is equal to, I don't know why I made that variable on here because I have a direct reference already, so we don't need this. Useless. I think we'll leave it, and I think I'm just going to do all this crap in the enemy spotter. Don't mind, let the code work. What you make it? There's always another way. So what I want to do is this world. No, I already said that wasn't going to work. 1 sec. What I want to do is this is going to do nothing right now, but I'm trying to basically I have this area going to be procedurally generated, and I want to basically check over a random position that I give an enemy, and I want to check the tile it's on, make sure it's the appropriate tile to spawn, and then do it if necessary. If not, try to find a new position until it gets the right one. So I need to. This guy does this weird. I have somebody saying here. He has a weird thing where it was like global tile map world 2 map, which I don't know what that is. He must have it somewhere else. This isn't an actual function. Good to see you. Oh, I gave you some insights. Up pretty cool for you. I appreciate you, Siha. No, I appreciate your help. I know it's obviously I need to do it on my own eventually, right? But we'll get there. I got ads. You want me to say it again? I can do that. Actually, let me print this quick. So what we got is, if you want, yes. So I'm going to procedurally generate a dungeon area here. And what I want to do is object null. Okay, interesting. Oops. What I want to do is, oh, I didn't explain it. I want to basically pick a random position for my enemies to spawn in here. And before they spawn, I want it to check to make sure it's a floor tile. And if it's a floor tile, spawn. If it's anything else, don't spawn. And try to find a new position. That's kind of what I'm going for. But this didn't work the way I wanted to. Oh, maybe, well, it could be. You're doing cool. I can see this turn into a berserker game, but I'm not you. You make see a different outcome. Yeah, I don't know what my outcome is completely yet. We'll see. We'll see. What language are you using? So this is GD script. There's a potential that this is picking something crazy. I'll, you know what we'll do? We'll make this very small to start because I know it'll hit for sure if I do it this way. Here, tile data. Okay. So it gives it as an object. Is that helpful? Let me see. Is this helpful? Let me look at tile data a little bit more here. Nice. Thank you. I just realized this new overlay for the coding part of the stream. Oh, yeah, Tom. This is what it's been for a minute now. Yeah, it's not great. Obviously, there's some, like, a lot to be left desired here. Can I do, like, a control find? Oh, this is tile data. Okay. Okay, flip page, modulate. Custom data. Get oculator. If I can just find a way to get no, I don't want material. Texture, no. Not Y sort, not Z. Data. Not layer. Nope, 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 nope. No, I don't think this will be helpful because I don't know how to. Well, maybe there's a way to look at the tile data. Who knows? Let's look. This is the tile in question. I don't know. Sure. I don't know for sure how that would help me. Check here. I'm sure there's some things I could do. I just want to check the atlas coordinates, to be honest. I just want to say if the atlas coordinates of this position is that, do it. Maybe there's a different way. Let's go back. Let's look. We're gonna learn. We're gonna learn, chat. We're gonna learn. This might be helpful. I really just want the chords of it, but oh, spelling error. I'm like, where's my autocomplete? Can I just do... Bro, if it's that easy, I'm gonna be kind of upset. It might be that easy. Little Care Bear, what's up, man? How you doing? It is that easy, guys. It's that easy. Oi, 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 oi. We can't have this. We need to have it like this. Oh my lord. You have 20 moving things on the screen running on a heartbeat. Each object is its own program check before the next heartbeat. I don't know. If I'm being honest, I don't know. We'll actually just make a new method here for that. And then we'll... Yes. You're gonna yell at me because I haven't done this yet. Okay. So, spawn enemy. We'll call it... new cheese. Oh, we don't have new cheese yet. We need to pull this out, actually. Which is kind of annoying, but that's fine. I don't like that. It's you know, I don't have to... Yeah, what am I doing? Just pull this guy private into here. I don't want it to be a public variable. All right. New this. New cheese. Oops. New cheese. Global position is equal to enemy position. Get parent. Add child. New cheese. And that should be it. That should work. We'll do it on a small size here, so that's because I want to see it work once. Yeah, that's good. So it worked. No huge errors. Love that. Let's try to break it. For iron range. Let's just say, let's do 10 of them. Why not? I think that will technically, that should spawn 10 of them. Let's say do. I'm gonna get away from there. Yeah. Yeah. No big error. Oh, there's some errors. But it's 10 because there's ready, not sprite found. Yes, I need to fix that, but that's okay. I don't care about that. I love how they're not attacking. That's not ideal. Turn around, numbskulls. Let's cool do it again. Here, let's go crazy. Let's break this bitch. I'm fucking running. Ah! There's too many of them! There's too many! Run, 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 run. That's fun. We'll clip that and use that later. We'll do it again. Well, did I help? I think you did help. It's helpful to see another perspective. That was like a truck berserker. All right, cool. So let's try again here with a bigger range. Make sure they actually will spawn erratically around the whole map in the correct positions and not have any of that fly off. So they should just evenly distribute everywhere. Aha, it did not. It did not. I think a lot of them picked a location outside. I'm just going to go through this loop a few times. I don't want it to necessarily. Oh, let's just make this 1 second. So this didn't work once you expand the range. So I'm assuming they're hitting. Oh, we died. Of course. It's gonna be annoying because I gotta wait for the tile set data to get here, which is very annoying. I think I can make it so it's like, I don't know, 1 pizza spawned, 2 pizza spawned. They're all spawning in the same spot. And now we're waiting for them to hit the correct spot again. So I think if we just waited a little bit, another would spawn. Yes, but it spawns in the middle. I want to actually, after this, I want to see what we're getting for enemy position every time. Gonna let you go. Hope you keep streaming. Thank you, Siha. Let's see you later, bro. Again, I appreciate all your help. Yeah. We're hitting blanks. It got a good one. I need to turn off that freaking thing. It got a good one here. 260. All right. Well, I think we just need to obviously just need to lower this. Maybe there's a way I can look at this and actually see what my world size is. It's definitely not 30 by 30 pixels, that's for sure. Well, we'll just, I guess. We'll make it a little smaller. I could have made this a Randy eye, but that's fine. I look away for a second and there's a million pizza. Yeah. I went a little crazy with the spawner, but that's fine. They're all just gonna spawn in the same. I want some to spawn on the edges. What if I just did, instead of global position, what if I just did position? I think me see. Huh. See what this one does. Interesting. It's hit that many duds. All right, well, let's go back to. Let's just make 10 of these guys so I can actually keep track of it. Let's also print cell chords because I need to see what it's doing. All right, so null, 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 null. Damn, it's hitting a lot of nulls. So I'm just not understanding where I am on the map, I think. Yeah, null, null. Wow, we're missing that much. That's crazy. So I guess I don't understand where I am. Maybe that 30 is 300 actually. Like 300 tiles. Or let's try this one instead. Huh. I do 30 by 30 should hit every time. Am I underestimating? Am I overestimating how big this is? I don't think so. It's all jank right now, but it'll look better. It'll look better later once I can. Huh. Well, let's just. I hate to do it this way, but let's just inch it up and see if it actually. I want to see them spread out and spawn all over. See, now we're missing. What are we hitting? So we're missing at 1035. We hit under 20. And give us 9-1 as our. Oh, but that's a miss. What's a 9-1? So this is 1-4. So must be. Hitting this, which is. That's my outside layer. 9-1. I was at 9-4, wasn't I? That was not where. 9-4. Yeah, so it's hitting on my outside, which good. I don't want it to spawn there. But the ones that do spawn, 9-1. Oops. No. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. I had the data I wanted. Wait for a few to spawn. I should kill these quick. Okay, let's check the few. So 1-4. We had one hit at negative 12, 9. Negative 9. Another one hit. You know what it is? You know what it probably is? How do I do that though? Hmm. Interesting. Honestly, it's very interesting. I think there was an issue. Okay. Okay, that's not what I want. Huh. They're all spawning at 0, basically right next to 0, 0. They won't stray out to here. Like none are spawning out here. Alright, we also need to just turn off. Don't need that right now. Interesting. Yeah, if I can just get them to spawn randomly, we're in such a better spot. Ah, Too many prints I forgot to take off. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Now this is why this game jam's taken forever. Is because we have been very hard to actually like learn something quickly and then do it. Maybe the atlas coordinates aren't the way to go. Maybe my fault is I'm using atlas coordinates. There's something inherently wrong. Shouldn't be, but I don't know. I don't know what else it could be. Not the atlas coordinate. That's fine. I'll fill. I shouldn't broke anything. Interesting. Mm-hmm. 4-0. The only thing I have is the atlas coordinates. That is unique. Uh, Dang, I wish there was something in here. Nothing in there that I can really use. Nothing in there. Mm, Let's try this out. Well, let's try this. Maybe this will be just set custom data for it. Huh? Get cell enemy. I think it's a spawnable tile, isn't it? Oops, I don't want this. It was spawnable underscore tile. Spawnable underscore tile. Okay, let's try this. This might be it. Oi. No instance. Oh, I see. I tried to object null. So do I need to add an extra layer here of like excuse me. I need some water. One sec, chat. I'm gonna get some water. I'm dying. Oh God. Damn, that sucked. I don't know what that was about. So it's really, really small, the area that I could spawn for some reason. But then this one, which one I have going first? Enemy position, then data. So like, yeah, like this one was fine, but like this one was bad. Like, what is the size of this thing right now? Maybe I'm not understanding the size. But it doesn't matter, because either way they should spawn in multiple areas all throughout. They should just spawn in the middle. Okay, so these guys are great. That's unfortunate. Anywho, let us. I need to get this figured out. Why isn't it not? Let's see what this does. Where to go? Huh. I don't know, chat. I don't get it. I must be missing something. I must be missing something important. Must be something important. Why it's not actually? Why it's not actually spreading them out? Initiate it. There's no way to. Well, you know what we could do. One sec, chat. I'm gonna step away. Go check on the baby. Maybe clear my mind a little bit. Try to figure out why this isn't working the way I'd like to work. Maybe figure out a way to debug this. We'll figure it out. All right, I'll be BRB. All right, I am back. Sorry. So I was thinking about it. I think I have. I know what I'm gonna do. Try and test this a little bit. So firstly, I want to go back to. I want to go back to. I want to do it based off the Atlas chords, honestly. If the chord. We're also add a new thing here. I'm gonna call this uh, basically it's going to be, we're gonna make a mouse chords. I want to basically what is the function? Isn't there a get global mouse position button? I thought there was a get. There's an what? Not like for. Is that only for character bodies? Excuse me. We'll just. Ugh, this is just getting so messy. We'll do it this way. I just want to hover my mouse over the tiles and I just want to be able to hover over the positions and get coordinates from that. Of my mouse. Actually, we need to put this into a process and do I want this to go. All right. Now let's get to the bottom of this. What's going on? Bug. Me. Bruh. All right. Unfold that. Interesting. Alright, chat. I might have to get off. The baby's just not staying asleep. Alright, chat. We're gonna have to end the stream here. Sorry, it's a little abrupt. I'm gonna go take care of the baby. So, have a great day, everybody. We'll hit next week harder. Hopefully, everybody feels better. We won't have to do all the flip flop